Copilot AI is now integrated with most of Office software, and same goes for Microsoft Excel. So here I am in the Excel document. Be sure you are still in the Home tab, and then on the far right side here, you should see the Copilot icon. Click on that. It will give you this pop-up on the right side when you can see your chat history. If you ever use the Copilot with this specific Excel document, you can see it right here, or you can start a brand new chat. Alright, and then we got a classic AI prompt box when you can describe what you need. I asked AI to sum column C. Now it's working on it. First, you need to scan the data you got in your spreadsheet. So if you got really big spreadsheet and it's kind of messy, not like nice table, it may take time. And here it is. It's give me like the formula I should use in row number 8. So it's give me direction. How can I do it all by myself? Take a look. Here's formula, and I can copy that and paste it, and they say row number 8. So I kind of got idea how to do it, or they offer me to insert the row for me and do it instead of me. So I can click this plus insert row, and in that case I got this extra row total and then formula that's already here. Keep in mind, it's not always like that. This is the perfect use scenario. Sometimes it may not offer you to insert row. If it's not understand the structure of a document, it's messy. They may give you the formula and tell you how to do it yourself, but not always give you this second part when they actually analyze your data and, okay, just insert row, insert column and solve. So as you can see, nowadays it's like you got this little helper in form of the Copilot. As the name suggests, it's actually working. So I got this SUM for this extra row they add for me, and it's correct. But you still need to know what you try to do, because you need to describe that to Copilot. So it's not like you don't need to have any clue about how Excel's function and works. Alright, so this can be helpful if you forget how to do certain formulas or never tried before. You can just ask Copilot to add graphs, make formulas and all that stuff for you. And this will speed up your workflow, hopefully. Alright, so that's how you use it. It's directly inside here. And as you may notice, I'm actually using a Mac OS right now, so it's not bound with the Windows 11. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.